So good morning, everybody. I just wanted to come up with this quick update video on Bitcoin. It was a nice morning to wake up to this morning with saw a significant pump up with a lot of volume. But you can see we clearly got rejected by this line over here, which is on a daily pattern. This chart is on the 1 hour right now. So you can see we clearly got a rejection here. And what we would like to see is to have Bitcoin break above that line on the daily time frame. And if we do that, then we'll put in a massive long, which is a great opportunity. But just want to remind you, if we get rejected by this, then we could also very easily get back to the bottom of the channel here and still be in this pattern. I would like to show you the 4-hour chart because that's where we can see a very significant trend line on the 4-hour, which starts here with a little fake out and can continue up here, which is a parabolic uptrend, and you can see the 42.5 region, which is right here, which has acted as resistance for a long time. You can see it here, and let me zoom out. It acted here and it acted here. So this is a very significant line. What I'm going to do, I will tell you what I'm going to do, which is I'm going to put in a massive long position on Bitcoin on the daily pattern. If we break out on the daily right here, then I'll get back to putting in a nice big long position, but you can also see the significance on a 42.5k, which is, if we break that on a 4-hour, which is also bullish, but we could clearly get rejected on the daily line. So if you want to be sure and not lose a trade, then I'm going to wait for a breakout above the daily resistance line, which I'll show you right away. So you can clearly see the pattern, which has several touch points already, and several touch points in the uptrend here also. But it still is very much possible that we see something like this, and it could continue on for a couple of days until the apex is on the 16th of April. But also we have seen that the RSI is in a similar pattern, which is ending a little earlier. So I believe that before the end of this month we will see a breakout, and then we can see what we can do, which could be a very interesting trade, because if we take this line from the top to the bottom and drag it up here, which could lead us to a very nice 55k trade long. But I have to warn you guys, this is a continuation pattern. We came from the top, we came down in this pattern, so it is actually more likely that we break down than we break up. But like I always say, no one can predict the price of Bitcoin, and that's what we traders do, is we trade what happens. We trade the breakout. So that's just what we're waiting for right now on the Bitcoin chart. I really wanted to share this with you, since we're right now breaking the 42.5, and we really need to hold that above the line. We started a new hourly candle, and it's breaking right now, but we're looking at the 4 hour, and this still has 3 hours left. So really important thing that we need to break above this line. The 42.5 is also a very significant line on the 4 hour chart. But yeah, we like to be safe, rather safe than sorry. So we just have to wait. I still have to tell you a little bit about the target for going down on this daily pattern, which is is more statistically more likely than we go up, but that would be $26,000 Bitcoin, which if that happens, I don't know what will happen. I think the 28K is a very important bottom, but we still have to break through this channel on the daily as well. So if we break down, I think that we will see a fake out and then bounce from this. And if we don't, then we have a few resistance lines left, or and eventually be held up by the 26K if everything happens like we think. So, like I said, we don't predict the market; we react to the market. So that's why I'm waiting right now. I am in an ETH trade right now, which also has some nice resistance here. So this has confluence with the Bitcoin chart as well. Compare this with Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, and I believe that if Bitcoin breaks the 42.5 right here on the 4 hour chart, then Ethereum will go massively long, because we still have a way to go in this Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart. So it still has a 24% possible gain against Bitcoin right now. So very exciting times. I'm gonna wrap up this video right now because it's has some timely significance right now. I'll keep my eyes on the chart and keep you updated if I can see anything new. And for now, we'll talk to you later. Thanks guys, bye.